Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to Internet Fatihah presentation. On this time, I would like to compare two articles that examine about good choices. The first article is titled Good Choices of English Language Teacher in Social Interaction at SMK Negeri 1 Pringapus by Rajang Waru Megaswari, Jatmika, and Harry Yustanto. And the second article title is Good Switching and Good Mixing Between Seller and Buyer, Analysis of Language Learning Through Sociolinguistic Study by Khairunisa. Okay, background of the research. The first article is focuses on the good choices of English language teacher in social interaction at SMK Negeri 1 Pringapus, a vocational high school in Indonesia. The researchers provide context on bilingualism and good choices, explaining the diverse linguistic landscape of Indonesia and the different types of language choice, as well as the importance of considering social cultural aspects and norms, and power dynamics and solidarity in communication. And the second article is to study good switching and good mixing in buying and selling activities in the Songgolangit market, which is a unique use setting for language interaction with speaker and buyers coming from diverse language backgrounds. Objective of the research. The objective of the research for the first article is to describe the good switching patterns and good selection patterns used by English language teacher in social interaction at SMK Negeri 1 Pringapus, as well as to identify the roles and function of the different language used. And the objective of the research for the second article is to describe the forms of good switching and good mixing found in buying and selling activities in the market, as well as determining factors that influence the occurrence of good switching and good mixing. Next, literature review for the first article by Rajang Waru Megaswari, Jatmika, and Harry Yustanto discusses the concept of bilingualism, good choices, good switching, and good mixing. And for the second article, literature review covers the key theoretical concepts relevant to the study of good switching and good mixing, including definition, causes, and types of good switching and good mixing. Next, previews of the research. First article discussed in the paper covers a range of studies on language good choices, good switching, and good mixing in various contexts. These studies focus on analyzing the forms of good choices and the factors influencing their occurrence, but did not specifically examine the patterns of good selection. And the second article provides an overview of previous research on good switching and good mixing, including definition, concept, and factors that influence these linguistic phenomena. Next, methodology. First is research design. First article is qualitative descriptive, research using a sociolinguistic approach, and the second article, qualitative descriptive too, located in the Songgolangit market in Ponorogo Regency, with oral data obtained through observation of buying and selling transaction between seller and buyer. Next, the data collection. First article using data observation, interviews, and document analysis, and the second article use speaking method, listening method, and in-depth interviews. Next is the data analysis. First article, the data analysis method used was the equivalent method, and data validity was ensured through triangulation technique, include source triangulation, method triangulation, and expert judgment. And the second article, the data analysis method used was an interactive analysis involving data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. Okay, we move to finding and discussion. The first articles about the key finding are: the first is the English language teacher at SMK N 1 Pringapus used a variety of language choices, including single language variation, good switching, and good mixing, based on different domains, situation, age of interlocutors, and position of interlocutors. The second is the researchers identified a pattern of code selection and the function of rules and different language used by teacher. The third is the teacher language choices reflect the power dynamics and solidarity in their relationship with their interlocutors. The fourth, two different languages used by the teacher, Japanese, Indonesian, English, Arabic, Latin, have distinct roles and function, with Japanese and Indonesian having high and low register, and for regional language being considered high register. And the second article about the key finding are, the first is the form of code switching found is the transition from using Japanese to using Indonesian in buying and selling transition. The second, the form of code mixing found is the insert Indonesia elements into Japanese, just as word, phrases, repetition, idioms, and clauses. The third, the code mixing found is internal code mixing involving elements from Japanese and Indonesian, rather than external code mixing with foreign language. Okay, next, let's compare the strengths and weaknesses of the two articles. First article, the string offers a comprehensive overview of code switching and code mixing in communication, emphasizing their importance in maintaining togetherness in the community. Discusses the determining factors that influence code switching and code mixing even in buying and selling transition. So the weaknesses for the first article does not provide specific example of code switching and code mixing instance in buying and selling transition. The conclusion could be more detailed in summarizing the key findings of the study. For the second article, the string provide direct dialogue example between seller and buyer to illustrate code switching and code mixing in buying and selling activities. Utilize an interactive analysis model for data analysis, including data reduction, presentation, and drawing conclusion. And the weaknesses for the second article is lacks a detailed explanation of the research methodology used in the study, does not clearly outline the specific forms of code switching and code mixing observed in buying and selling activities. Okay, that's all from me guys. Thank you. See you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.